Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back here again today. Welcome back to the channel, Savage Panda Projects, the habitat for horsepower. So guys, very exciting for today's video. We're going to be testing out launch control using Draggy on our Project A3. As you guys saw in the last video, we just went APR stage 3 with the IS38 turbo. So we're super excited to see what this car can do, and we'll see if we can improve some 0 to 60s. So without further ado, let's fire up Draggy and we're going to test out launch control. All right, it's first attempt. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so we've attempted a few different runs using launch control on the Project A3. Let's take a minute to go ahead and review some of these times and we'll get into a little discussion. So guys, for our first attempt, looked like we did pretty well at 3.96 seconds, just under that 4-second mark. It's a really good time for this vehicle. I'm always happy to see this car getting down to the 3s. Second attempt looks like we did a little faster, although unfortunately due to the slope of the road, this time was unfortunately invalidated. We got the time actually even lower at a very nice 3.76 0 60. Hey, yo, here we go. Unfortunately, once again, due to that slight slope of the road, this was just enough to invalidate the Draggy report. And on our final attempt, guys, you can see we managed to pull off a 3.9 0 to 60. Definitely a personal best as far as validated reports using Draggy. I'm pretty happy with this time. You guys got to consider this time of year, we're at around 45 degrees. We're on all seasons, definitely not the best tires. So I really can't complain to get into the 3-second range for the A3. I feel like the car definitely could do better. It would be nice to find a consistently level flat road so we don't have problems with slope and invalidation. But I think if we had proper summer tires and warmer weather, we probably could do a little bit better. But hey, 3.9, I'm still a happy camper. I'll take it. So guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. I really appreciate you guys sticking around, supporting the content on the channel. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit like on the video. It definitely helps improve the visibility of the channel. Appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.